Good morning, guys. This is the live session for the Macaron online masterclass. So we are kickstarting it today. We have the schedule. We have just put it together to make it a half a day and not wanting you guys to stay the entire day because the content is like really very nice. I'm sure you guys know about it. The recipe has been shared with you, and that's a vast detailed book. Good morning. Good morning. So my voice is audible, right? Hi, Archana. You can just let me know if my voice is audible. And the recipe document has an agenda on the first page, and we will be following that. So in case if you're just coming in between, you will know where exactly we are and which part of the session you guys are following. Okay. So we'll be starting with Italian macaron, and then we have the eggless. And because there is going to be rest time for those macarons, we want to finish baking whatever we are doing in the live and then show to you how the results are. And in the agenda, there are fillings that are coming in between. And then we have the French at the end. Then we'll have the painting. And then we will be showing you how to fill the macarons. And that will be the end of the session. Okay. So I have with me the chefs of Horn Bites. We have Uday Nila, who will be coming in and joining me. And we also have Ritu. They are trained pastry chefs who are well versed in making pastry. Hi, Ritu. Hi. So Nila demonstrating the Italian macarons, and Ritu will be demonstrating the eggless and the French macarons. Okay, so we have the things ready here. You, my recommendation for you guys is to follow their instructions because the method has been fine-tuned. So it is very easy for a learner to do and produce the results as they are producing. We have run this session couple of times with quite a lot of students in a hands-on mode here. So after the demonstration, students had taken the video and then followed the method exactly right here in front of us, and all of their macaron shells have come out well. However, when they go back to their home and then try, their first trial obviously will have a difficulty because you need to optimize your oven temperature and the time, which we have done here for our oven, and for which we had run like 5 to 6 trials, obviously. So your first try in your home may have failures, but do not give up. And that is why we have a month long after course support. The WhatsApp group will stay, and myself together with the chefs will be there. And you have to definitely try, otherwise you're not going to get your macarons right. Okay, so follow the instructions, and as you're observing the information, try it out in the next 1 or 2 days. If you're going to, because just if you think that the support is going to be there for a month, and if you're going to actually start working on it after 2 weeks, you would have definitely forgotten the important pointers that they have told. But the recording will be there. But anytime before you try, watch the process, and when you have all the information in your head, try it out in the next few hours so you do not miss out on any important information that they are going to pass. So both will stay here, and we have the camera angles to show you how exactly each texture is. Observe the texture, the ribbon consistency, and how the flow is, and you can ask your questions, and we will try and answer if possible. And is going to stop the process, then we will wait, and once the process is done, we will look for the questions and then we will have them answered. Okay, so good luck to you guys. Have a nice Saturday and enjoy learning how to make macarons. I'll make a move and then I'll go over to Uday Nila and Ritu to start Italian macarons.